On his favorite scene or my favorite scene?
Both.
There's a scene in the trailer where we talk about the morning after, and I talk about it being better, and he says better, and I say yeah. So is this the best it ever gets? And he says no. So I say yeah, better. But you have to watch the film and understand the context of where it's coming from.
If I can just add to that, when I read the script, I found that scene very interesting because most men in our country are very, they have a certain thought process where this word is concerned, which I'm going to say, don't freak out, it's called sex. There, suddenly everybody, oh, he's talking about sex. Yeah. Most men have a certain interpretation of how life should be or things should be post-sex. In this context, when you see the film, I don't want to give too much away, but as actors, we got to discover a new dynamic to play off each other, which is really interesting, and I wouldn't like to put it on a platter and give it to the audience. Let them see it and discover it for themselves.
Thank you so much.
Arjun.
Last two questions, please.
Would you like to go for honeymoon in Goa, since you are not traveled abroad? Even Deepika can also answer.
Sorry, sir. Would I like to go for a honeymoon to Goa?
Yeah.
I would like to go right now to Goa if I had an opportunity. Honestly speaking, it's the
Since you are not traveled abroad, you said.
No, sir. I have traveled abroad, just not
If
as an
somebody
actor.
approaches you for Goa.
मेरा passport है, उस पर 2-3 जगहों के वीजा लगे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, पर अगर गोवा 40 मिनट दूर है फ्लाइट से बॉम्बे से, तो I would obviously love to go to Goa every time. And if you have a place like Goa in the country, you don't need to think about traveling abroad, which is the nice part. I don't know about honeymoon. Any given opportunity, I think even she'll agree. Goa is the place for people like us to sort of move away from the hustle and bustle of the city. And I'm sure all of you all are, it's a pretty self-explanatory thing. I think that's why Goa is such a beautiful place, because it's a very popular place for that reason. You can have your space, you can mingle with people, and you can enjoy the beauty, and you can do various things that you can't do in a hectic city like Bombay or Delhi or Bangalore, for example, or wherever. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Deepika. Hi, Arjun. Over here. Kunal from
This lady first, please.
दीपिका अर्जुन फिल्म खत्म हो चुकी है, गोवा में बहुत मस्ती भी की होगी आपने. अगर आपको फिर से मौका मिले, लेकिन किसी फिर से मौका मिले, फिर मौका मिले,
हाँ जी,
फिर मौका मिले, लेकिन अपने किसी बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी एक दूसरे के अलावा, तो किसे ले जाना चाहेंगे?
मैं अपनी बहन को ले जाऊंगा यार. She's been asking for a holiday for a while, so I would take her to go.
Okay, दीपिका.
आउट ऑफ टर्न सवाल.
एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में यही सवाल पूछना जरूरी है क्या? लेट्स मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दिस नाउ. कम ऑन.
आप लोग कुछ अलग कीजिए.
दीपिका अर्जुन
फिल्म की है इस बार. आप लोग भी कुछ अलग कीजिए. अलग सवाल.
Deepika Arjun, hi. Deepika Arjun, hi. Kunal here from Zoom. First of all, congratulations. आपकी फिल्म को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है. अर्जुन, आपकी फिल्म को भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है.
थैंक यू जी.
मेरा सवाल दीपिका पादुकोण जी से ये है कि दीपिका,
When have you become so formal with me?
दीपिका पादुकोण.
There is only one Deepika on this.
नहीं जी, दीपिका पादुकोण जी से मेरा ये सवाल है कि दीपिका रिसेंटली अभी जैसे अभी हम जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एंटर कर रहे थे, तभी सोनम कपूर की पीआर मशीनरी की तरफ से एक मेल आया जिसका कहना ये था कि सोनम कपूर को पहले फाइंडिंग फैनी ऑफर की गई थी दीपिका पादुकोण से पहले. आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस? एंड अर्जुन ऑल्सो, आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस? फर्स्ट ये क्वेश्चन है, पहले आप इसका जवाब दीजिए, दूसरा सवाल आ रहा है.
I don't know who the people were, but मैं खुद इंटरव्यूज में कहती थी कि I was not the first choice for Finding Fanny. It was offered to 2 other people before it finally came to me. But I think that was about 5 years ago. And whoever was offered the film at that point, I think was not ready to do it, or for whatever reason the film didn't work out. Homie narrated it to me during Cocktail, and he didn't narrate it to me like he was offering me the film. He's a very close friend of mine, तो वो ऐसे ही कहानी सुना रहे थे मुझे. And at the end of Cocktail, I went up to him and said, "Let's make this movie." So that's when you know, the ball started rolling. Nasir Saab's dates became free, and everyone else on board. So yeah, I have said this myself. I was not the first choice for Finding Fanny.
Okay. दूसरा सवाल आपसे मेरा ये है कि,
no, I think we have
having said that, I've always said that you are remembered for the films that you do. I've said this time and again. So it's irrelevant whether you've wanted to do a film, whether you let go of a film, because years later people are not going to remember you for that. You're remembered for the films that you do at the end of your career.
See, while ending this press conference, may I ask Mr. Arjun Kapoor to give a message to the viewers when they come to watch your film? Mr. Arjun Kapoor, please. Well, there's a time shortage. They will have to leave shortly. Okay, one more question.
Finding Fanny का जो word है Fanny. Finding Fanny
Ma'am,
का जो
can you stop screaming, please? We're all here to be a part of this press conference. Thank you.
फाइंडिंग फैनी का जो वर्ड है फैनी, इसे ड्रॉप किया जाए. ये दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में एक पीआईएल फाइल हुई है. आप ऐसी मानसिकता के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
Say that again.
एक पीआईएल फाइल की गई है, एक एनजीओ के द्वारा एक दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में कि फाइंडिंग फैनी से जो फैनी वर्ड है इसको मूवी के पोस्टर से हटाया जाए और मूवी का टाइटल चेंज किया जाए.
I'm not at all aware of this. We've just been promoting the whole day. I'm not aware of this. Sorry.
Can we invite the winners of the Finding Fanny contest on the stage, please?
It's okay. Sir.
Okay.